Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cook with Shree. Today I will be showing the recipe of aloo mint kabab. For the recipe we are taking 3 boiled potatoes, mint leaves 1 cup, few coriander leaves, green chillies 2 to 3, black pepper powder half teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, hung curd or thick curd 1 tablespoon, rice flour 2 and half teaspoon, corn flour 2 and half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, oil to deep fry and salt as per taste. In a mixer jar add mint leaves, green chillies, coriander leaves, water and make fine paste. In a bowl add boiled potatoes, prepared mint paste, hung curd or thick curd, ginger garlic paste, rice flour and corn flour, little salt, garam masala, black pepper powder and give a good mix. Keep marinated potatoes for 10 minutes. Deep fry marinated potatoes in hot oil. Yummy and crispy aloo mint kebab is ready to serve with tomato ketchup. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.